Transform your ride with the Type S multicolor Infinite Glow LED extension strip. This is the ultimate way to extend your vehicle's ambient lighting. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our brand new Type S 12-inch multicolor Infinite Glow extension strip. The Type S 12-inch Infinite Glow extension strip comes with one 12-inch strip. This strip has 3M adhesive backing. It also includes a crystal connector. You need the crystal connector in order to attach this strip to an existing multicolor Infinite Glow strip. These sides are tapered in order to connect your crystal connector if you wish to extend or reconnect LED strips. Before connecting your LED strip extension, we recommend to disconnect your existing LED strip from power. Once you ensure that you're disconnected from power, you take your crystal connector and make sure that the arrows of the connector are following the direction of the arrows on your LED strip. To attach your crystal connector to your LED strip, you simply insert the LED strip to the crystal connector and close the door. Once the door is closed, you know that you have a tight connection. Now, you take the other side of your crystal connector and connect it to your existing LED strip. To ensure a tight connection, give the crystal connector a yank. We're good to go. If you need to disconnect your crystal connector, simply open up the tabs on either side of the crystal connector. You can use your fingernail. Be very gentle, you don't need to put a lot of pressure to open it up. If you have any questions or issues during your install, please reference the manual that comes with your product, contact our customer service, or visit typesauto.com.